And we begin first up with news that's coming in from J&K. It's action that's been initiated by the BJP against the J&K's chief, in fact, vice state chief. It's Pawan Khajuria, who's now been suspended from the party for contesting the elections as an independent candidate. So Pawan Khajuria, who's the BJP J&K vice chief, has been suspended by the J&K working president following the recommendation of the party's disciplinary committee. In fact, a statement that's also now been put out which says it's by Paul Sharma, who's BJP state working president, who says on the basis of recommendation that was made by the disciplinary committee of the party headed by Sunil Sethi, chairman has strongly recommended your suspension from membership of the party for an act of indiscipline, in fighting elections against the official candidate of the party. Let's go across to Gursimran, who's getting us this news break. Gursimran, action, of course, having been initiated against the J&K BJP vice president. Take us through the details. What do we know about this tough contest apparently between the BJP, who's contesting as an independent, against the party leader?
See, it was Pawan Khajuria who said that it is real versus the fake BJP when he went on to file a nomination against the official candidate of the Bharatiya Janata Party, that is R.S. Pathania from the Udhampur East constituency. Now the party has acted tough and has now suspended its vice president from the party. The decision has been taken by the party working president Sat Sharma based on the recommendation that was given by the disciplinary committee that was headed by Advocate Sunil Sethi. Now it has been decided that Pawan Khajuria will be suspended for the anti-party activities and also contesting against official candidate of the party. If we go back to the 2014, it was Pawan Khajuria who was given ticket by the party from the Udhampur seat. Pawan Gupta, the other candidate, he went against the party's decision. He contested as an independent and defeated Pawan Khajuria, who was party's official candidate. So this time the party denied the ticket to Pawan Khajuria, though in the initial stage he was assured of the ticket by the party's top brass. But then at final the ticket was given to the R.S. Pathania, a Rajput face in the area, and since Khajuria was denied the ticket, he went rebel. He decided that he will be contesting as an independent candidate. He filed nomination. Yesterday was the last day to take back the nomination. He did not even, despite repeated calls by the party working president Sat Sharma, who is now overseeing all the party affairs in Jammu and Kashmir, as Ravindra Rana is himself contesting a tough fight from the Surendra Chaudhary in his own constituency in Nashara. Now Sat Sharma has decided that he be suspended from the party, and the decision has been taken. And not only him, but also Balwan Singh, a senior functionary of the party in the same constituency, he too has been expelled from the party, it is suspended for the time being, and the rest decision will be taken post elections. That is what we are getting to know. Samiksha.